campers. This video is to document upgrading or reupholstering the benches in our HappiJac bed. We found a local upholstery shop that's going to replace this cheap peeling vinyl with an automotive grade vinyl. Today we're at Marina Upholstery in Bullhead City, Arizona, to drop off our benches to have them recovered. He's quoted us $2,200 and we'll have it back hopefully sometime in January. Today's the big day. The benches are finished. We're back to pick them up. Man. Now that we have the benches back, the next thing we need to do is install them. Okay, that completes the project. Everything is done. Next on the agenda is our table. Be sure to check out the individual videos on removing and adding the benches back. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.